at Mount Hood. We've just climbed a little more than 2 miles and scaled a landslide. Nick is now under the waterfall. I chickened out. So, well, there he is. Looks like he's found him a few friends. Love the beautiful state of Oregon.